Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel. In today's lecture, I will discuss with you 8 easy freelance job ideas for beginners, even if you have no experience. So let's get started. When trying to build a source of income, many people get inspired by the idea of becoming a freelancer. Indeed, freelancing can be a great way to earn money from home in your spare time. And in fact, it's even possible to turn it into a successful full-time business one day. The problem is, freelancing can be a tough industry to get in, especially if you have no experience. Most fields are incredibly competitive and require advanced skills or relevant work history. But let's get to the good news. There are some freelancing jobs that are suitable for beginners, and I will share some of them with you. These jobs don't require a degree, and you probably already have most of the skills needed for them, which means you could start right now. First one is social media manager. Most people spend hours on social media every day, but what they don't realize is that social media can be a way to earn money. Businesses and brands need to stay active on social media platforms, and that's why they hire freelancers to create and post content, reply to followers, manage Facebook groups, answer questions, etc. It's similar to what you do for your own profile, but the difference is you could be doing that for a client who would pay you an hourly or monthly rate for it. How much can you earn as a social media manager is starting at $8 to $15 per hour. This could work for those people who love using social media and know the ins and outs of Facebook, Instagram, and more. Second freelance job is of web research. If you are always looking up stuff on Google, this could be the right job for you. When companies need someone to do research for them, they hire entry-level freelancers who are willing to work for low rates. That's you. The projects usually involve web research to help businesses create articles, launch new products, study competitors, etc. All you need to do is research about the relevant topics in Google and organize the information you find so that the company can use it. How much can you earn doing web research is starting at $5 to $15 per hour. Web research work for those people who understand how to use Google to find the information they need. Third job is of content writer. No, you would not write the next bestseller, but you could make decent money writing content for companies. I am talking about blog posts, ebooks, content for websites, product descriptions, etc. Working as a content writer does require some linguistic abilities, but most jobs are simple and can be done by people with basic writing skills. How much can you earn as a content writer? That starts from $10 to $30 per hour. Content writing job work for people with decent writing skills. Fourth job is of virtual assistant. Now, here's a job idea for beginners with no experience but who have free time and great organization skills. Business owners tend to be incredibly busy, and that's why they hire virtual assistants to help them with simple tasks such as replying to emails, managing their social media, scheduling appointments, organizing travel plans, etc. Basically, your job is to free up the client's time by taking care of things yourself. How much can you earn as a virtual assistant starts from $8 to $25 per hour. Virtual assistant job work for those people who are well organized and have lots of time available. Next job is of data entry. Let's say a company needs to create an Excel spreadsheet with all their products, so they can later use it on their website. In that case, they would need to hire a freelancer for this data entry job. This is one of the easiest freelance jobs you can find, as it doesn't require any specialized knowledge. You are responsible for extracting information from one medium and inputting it in another medium. Another example is if a client asks you to transcribe a book into a Word document, all you need to do is type for hours and hours while earning money. What's cool about it is that you get the job done while listening to music or watching your favorite TV show. How much can you earn from data entry job? Starts from $5 to $20 per hour. Data entry job work for those people who don't mind doing boring tasks and have a good eye for details. Here comes the customer service job. Many companies hire entry-level freelancers to handle customer requests and complaints. As it's a job that doesn't require specialized skills. The client will teach you the answers to the most common questions and you will have a manager to assist you with specific cases. If you have ever contacted chat, phone, email support for a service you use, you have probably spoken to a customer service agent. Now you can be one of them. How much can you earn from customer service? Starts from $5 to $15 per hour. This could help for those people who enjoy talking to people and don't get stressed easily. Seventh job is transcription. Imagine that a company has hundreds of podcast episodes that they want to turn into content for blog posts. That's when they would hire a freelance transcriber. Transcription means extracting the content from an audio or video and turning it into text. So you could be asked to create captions for YouTube videos or transcribe the content of a scanned PDF into a Word document. It's a simple job that anyone can do and an easy way to start earning some income. How much can you earn from transcription job? Starts from $5 to $15 per hour. This could work for people who type fast and don't make too many mistakes. The last freelancing job I am going to share with you is appointment setting. There are too many business models that rely on scheduling appointments with clients, such as consultants, agencies, brokers, etc. That's where the freelance appointment setter comes in. He is the person who could calls or emails a list of prospects and tries to get them to schedule an appointment. One of the greatest benefits of this job is that in some cases you could earn a commission on sales. So it's possible to make very good money and also get into a sales career, one of the highest paying jobs in the world. How much can you earn from appointment setting job is starts from $8 to $20 per hour, but some companies pay commissions. Appointment setting job could work for people who are not shy on the phone and willing to contact dozens of leads every day. Now here the question arises, where to find freelance jobs as a beginner? I hope you now have a better picture of the different types of freelance jobs that are suitable for beginners, but you are probably wondering where to find available jobs. I know this is a bit shocking, but it's not hard to find freelance work. In fact, there is a way to instantly find hundreds of clients who need help and are looking for entry-level freelancers. I am talking about freelancing platforms such as Upwork, Freelancer.com and Fiverr. In case you are not familiar with those websites, they are marketplaces that connect companies who need to hire freelancers to people like you who are looking for remote work. That means you don't need to worry about finding clients because those platforms have done all the work for you. Upwork is the largest freelancing platform with over 3 million jobs posted annually. So if you want to find freelancer work, all you have to do is join Upwork and start browsing the thousands of available posts. These are the 8 easy freelance job ideas for beginners I have shared with you. You can select one of them according to your interest and skills and start earning money. If you liked the video, give a thumbs up. Also subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you can get the notification of coming videos. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.